Assalamualaikum everyone. I hope you are doing well. So today, what I want to talk about is what the thresholds will look like for your A-level math exam, which was leaked. Cambridge has already acknowledged that two questions, one question on B1 and two questions on M1, that they think were leaked, and what they're going to do is give you full marks for those questions. Now, what is going to happen to the thresholds? Here's what I think. If I look at March 2025, the threshold for an A starts off at 61 out of 75, which is a relatively high threshold. Now, if I give everyone some extra marks, full marks on one question, okay, now it might impact the threshold, it might not. Will it drive the threshold up by 5 marks? No, it wouldn't. Okay, because definitely some things will change, and thresholds are based on overall difficulty and all of those things, not just on one question. But if it is higher, will it be higher than this? Yes. The mind sort of tells you that it's going to be something around 63, 64, 65, maybe, making it difficult to score an A. For a B, the threshold was 55 out of 75 for March 2025. Um, Again, if you add 3 4 marks, that drives the threshold really up. So I think A's and B's are going to be difficult to get on the June 2025 exams. M1 is another story. The M1 paper had two questions that were leaked. Either they were 7 marks or 8 marks. I don't clearly remember right now. But the March 2025 threshold is 40 out of 50, which means that if the threshold were to go up, then you would find it difficult to score an A. But at the same time, everybody's getting full marks for those questions, so it may sort of rationalize. You don't know for sure. That is my guess on as to what will happen to the thresholds based on what happened in March 2025, what the thresholds look like in March 2025 and also June 2024. Okay, so those calculations are based on these 2 years. Let's hope and pray that everybody scores their desired grades. You have the option of giving the retake exam, but it has its pros and cons. Please make sure to think about it or get in touch if you want to decide whether your grade reflects what you truly deserved in your exams.